Good evening. We begin with new developments tonight in a legal battle over a COVID-19 related nursing home death right here in Western New York. More than 700 people died from coronavirus in a nursing home in Erie County. The family of one of those victims taking the nursing home to court, filing a lawsuit against Humboldt House Rehabilitation. And now a judge has ruled on how this case will move forward. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley takes a closer look at this lawsuit and how the judge's decision is being watched closely for other pending cases.
This complaint was originally filed in April of last year by Cecilia Robertson on behalf of the estate of her sister. 64-year-old Annette Herron died of COVID-19 here at the Humboldt House and Rehabilitation Nursing Center. It's on Hager Street on Buffalo's east side.
The failures of the nursing home to properly respond to and manage COVID-19 outbreak in the nursing home.
I reached attorney Joseph Chacho by phone, who is representing Robertson. The nursing home attempted to have the complaint tossed out, arguing the state's Emergency Disaster Treatment Protection Act provided immunity to healthcare providers from potential liability from COVID. But State Supreme Court Justice Jeanette Ogden rejected the argument, allowing the case to move forward.
We argued that they weren't, that it was repealed and that it was intended to be retroactive, as well as the fact that our claims for gross negligence was not included under the immunity law, even if it did still exist.
1 year ago, the state Senate voted to repeal the immunity law, and it was signed by then Governor Andrew Cuomo last April. That was around the same time the Cuomo administration was facing a federal investigation over nursing home deaths.
Ms. Robertson was in the dark during COVID. You know, people weren't allowed to go see their loved ones. It was difficult to even talk to them in nursing homes. So there's a lot of information we got to discover.
Since the fall of 2020, this nursing home received some of the highest fines for COVID-related issues of $50,000. Now that the judge agreed to let this case proceed with discovery, it could be a very important decision for other cases across the state.
Justice Ogden's decision is limited to one of the provisions in the statute, and it's a very reasoned, well thought out decision.
I reached out to attorney Michael SCINTA at Brown Chiari, where he specializes in nursing home neglect and abuse.
What's important to remember is that the facilities, regardless of immunity, must be in compliance with the law.
I reached out to the Humboldt House for a response and received this statement. It is not our practice to comment on the status of matters that are in litigation, but have confidence in our judicial system, as well as the devotion and commitment of our staff at Humboldt House to caring for all our residents. Eileen Buckley, 7 News, Buffalo.
And this just into the newsroom tonight, New York Attorney General LETITIA James saying it's time for change in the nursing home industry. The Attorney General speaking just moments ago alongside nursing home workers, calling for stronger staffing policies, improved safety protocols, and better pay.
And now it's time to look after them, to address their issues, to pay them adequately, to give them the respect that they deserve, and to ensure that the residents of these nursing homes are being cared for properly. It's important, again, that we recognize the hard work of these men and women, but we also recognize that we have a lot of work to do in the nursing home industry.
The union representing New York State healthcare facilities just issued a statement saying these efforts are unrealistic, as the state has cut more than $1 billion in funding over the past 14 years. Also says tonight, staffing mandates during a workforce crisis are simply not possible.